Thanks for joining me for this week's quick business tip. Today, we're going to talk about the goals that you have set and some tips on how to reach them faster, because setting big goals is amazing, but we need to take the steps necessary to make those goals a reality. First, you need to pinpoint your target market. If you've been listening to me for very long, this is one that I come back to over and over again because it's crucial. You need to know exactly who you're trying to reach. Are they young professionals? Are they parents? Are they retirees? Identify that ideal customer that you love working with and who values what you offer them, and help them by tailoring your message so it resonates authentically with their unique individualism. Stand out from your competition by making your business unique. So figure out what it is that makes you different from everyone else that's doing what you do, because you need to stand out in your market. So you need to emphasize what makes you special, whether it's customer service, an innovative product, personal touch. You need to, it's what we like to call the unique selling proposition. What makes you special? The third step is you need to craft a compelling message. This message needs to be clear and concise. People do not buy because they need to buy, or they don't buy because, let me tell you why they do buy. They buy because they are emotionally connected with you. They understand that you can solve a problem or help them make their lives or businesses better. And this is what needs to be clearly communicated in your message. It's also important that that message shows up on the proper channels. So think about your target market. Think about the message that you are communicating, and where does that message belong? Is it LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok? Like, wherever that is, where are your people hanging out? Choose that channel, do that channel well, understand that channel, engage with your audience in that channel. And when you have that dialed in, add another one. So don't go in there and just try to hit them all and spread yourself too thin, because you won't be able to be your best self in any of those places if you're trying to do everything too much, too fast. About that content that you are creating on that channel, make it engaging. It needs to grab your audience's attention. So we're not trying to grab everyone's attention on TikTok. We're just trying to grab the attention of the person that you want to work with the most. Grab their attention with captivating visuals, catchy headlines, information, and entertaining posts. Be consistent. This is not going to be something that happens overnight. This is going to be something that you're going to have to put in the time and the effort and the energy. And for months, it might feel like you are talking to a brick wall. But if you remain consistent and keep your message clear and concise, you will see results. The reason that you'll see results is because during this time where it will often feel like you are talking to a brick wall, what you're really doing is you're building relationships. People are checking you out. They're seeing if you're going to remain consistent, if you're going to remain clear in your messaging. And so don't treat these people that like and comment on your posts as strangers. Engage with them, build relationships with them, and that will over time result in sales. And it's super important to track and analyze your results, because if you're not tracking, you don't really know if something is catching on, getting you any kind of footing. And when people aren't tracking, they are often going on their gut and they're saying, well, I think it's working. Well, it feels like. These are not things that you need to be doing in your business. You can track your results of all of your marketing with actual numbers, facts and figures that you can compare over time, see what's working, see what's not, see what you need to spend more time and money on, and see what maybe you need to just let go. And then the last thing is you need to evolve and adapt. And that's all part of the tracking. If you're not tracking, you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall. You're just building a bunch of half-built bridges. And if you haven't heard me talk about half-built bridges, go back and find one of my other videos. It's super important that tracking, consistency, and clarity are key to all of your marketing. And that is what allows you to do the evolving and the adapting and to stay on top of what your customers need and what they're looking for in your marketing message. So what do you guys say? How about we start getting to some of those really big goals? What I want you to work on right now is, if you don't already have it, pick your target audience, then go back and look at the other steps that talk about a clear message, consistency, the channel that you're going to talk to your target market on, and don't forget to track the results. Let me know how it goes and come back next week for another quick business tip. I'm Jennifer with Limitless Impact Agency. Thank you so much for watching.